Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a satellite phone. First, ensure you understand your device's coverage area, as this varies by provider. Next, fully charge your satellite phone's battery. A full charge is crucial for optimal performance and extended use. Finally, correctly insert the SIM card into its designated slot, following your phone's specific instructions to ensure proper network registration. These initial steps are vital for a successful connection. To make a call, extend the antenna and find an open area with a clear view of the sky, free from obstructions like tall buildings or dense trees. Dial the complete international number, starting with the international access code, then the country code, and finally the local number. For quick updates, send short text messages. They are often more reliable in challenging signal conditions and consume less power. Protect your satellite phone by keeping it dry and away from extreme temperatures, as moisture and heat can cause damage. Always monitor your battery life and consider carrying a portable charger or extra batteries, especially for extended trips. Be aware that satellite calls and data can be more expensive than cellular services, so understand your plan's rates to manage usage and avoid unexpected costs. For emergencies, program essential contacts and know how to use any SOS features your phone may have. Regularly update your phone's firmware to ensure it operates with the latest features and best performance. Store your phone in a dry, temperate place and test it monthly to confirm functionality. Remember, a well-maintained satellite phone is a reliable lifeline. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, please see the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.